Welcome to our video. Today, we'll explore the exciting world of coding and how you can learn it online for free. Learning to code online has numerous benefits. It's flexible, accessible from anywhere, and offers endless resources. There are many fantastic platforms out there like Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, and Khan Academy that offer free coding courses. From Python to JavaScript and Ruby, you can learn a variety of programming languages for free. Don't forget the support from online coding communities. Platforms like Stack Overflow and GitHub can be invaluable. You have the option of self-paced learning or opting for more structured courses. Choose what suits your style best. Coding skills can land you jobs in web development, app creation, data analysis, and much more. The applications are vast. Of course, learning to code can come with challenges like debugging and grasping complex concepts. But don't let that discourage you. To stay motivated, set small goals, celebrate your achievements, and connect with others on the same journey. Now that you have the resources and knowledge, it's time to embark on your coding journey. Start today